Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we will be working on EXP22 Excel Chapter 2 Cumulative Garten Furniture. I will guide you step by step. You can easily understand the instructions and complete your assessment without any confusion. If you need any help with Engage, Blackboard, MyLab, IT assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, or a complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, mathematics, stats, economics, writing, computer science courses, programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, C++, Java, and more programming languages, and website development using different frameworks and CMS like WordPress, Webflow, Wix, and more frameworks and CMS. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A plus grades guaranteed. Now let's start the today assignment and go through it step by step. Here is the title of assignment EXP22 Excel Chapter 2 Cumulative Garten Furniture Instructions. Here is a project description. Let me highlight this. The project description is: you are a finance manager for Garten Furniture, a local furniture store that also provides financing, delivery, and hands-free setup. As part of your daily tasks, you create an Excel workbook that reports sales, payment plan, information, and summary statistics. Here is a workbook. Now move to the question number one. Question number one is: start Excel, download and open the file name EXP22 Excel Chapter 2 Cumulative Furniture Sales. Grader is automatically added to your last name to the beginning of the file name. Basically, in this question, you will have to download the Excel workbook from MyLab IT dashboard. I have already downloaded this file from MyLab IT dashboard, Garten Furniture Weekly Sales. Now we will move to the question number two. Question number two is: insert a function in cell C3 to display the current date and ensure that the format is set as a long date. Now we will move to the workbook. Click on this cell and display the date today. And we will use the today function for current date and time. So that the format is set as a long date. Just to click on this drop down, then you will choose the long date. Question number two are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number three. Question number three is: set column C width to auto fit. First we select this column C. Then you will go to the format tab. Click on this drop down and click on auto fit column width. Click on this. Question number three are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number four. Question number four is: insert a function in cell D11 to display the item name based on the provided inventory lookup information in the range B24 to D29. Be sure to use the appropriate absolute cell referencing, and the function returns an exact match. Copy the function from cell D11 down through D19 to complete column D. You will go to the workbook. The item name will have to write formula VLOOKUP, then we have write lookup value C11. C11 are representing SKU. Then we will add a table array. We have set basically we will have to set a range B24 to D29. B24 to D29. We have set this range and set as a absolute reference. Use dollar sign or absolute reference because its values are constant, do not change. Then false. We have shown suggestion something is wrong. C29. Then formula correction are completed. This one and the next is you will have to drag this formula down to the range D19. First we will drag this formula down to the range, this one. Question number 4 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 5. Question number 5 is insert a function in cell F11 to display the item price based on the provided inventory lookup. Information be sure to appropriate absolute cell reference and the function returns an exact match. Copy the function from cell F11 down through the F19 to complete the column F. In this question, you will have to insert a function in cell F11 to display the item price based on the provided inventory lookup information. In the price, you will have to calculate this price. We have used a formula VLOOKUP. Based on the item names, we will have to calculate the price of this item. C11 are representing SKU. Then you will have to provide a table array B24 to D29, this one, and the 3 are representing column number 3, column 3 are representing column 3 are representing the price, this one, then false, then press OK. Then the next part is you will have to drag this formula to the last of the range. If you drag them down to the range, the prices are calculated in these cells. Question number 5 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 6. Question number 6 is apply currency format to column F. First, we will have to select this column. Then you will go to the home tab and click on this drop down. Then choose the currency format. Okay. And the next question is question number 7. Question number 7 is insert an if function in cell G11 to calculate the total due if the customer has chosen delivery column E equal to yes, there is an additional delivery charges. There is an additional delivery charges located in cell L11 if absolute. Cell reference copy the function from cell G11 down through the G19 to complete the column G. First, we will have to write a function if function in cell G11 to calculate the total due. In the total due column, we have write a function if then write a function in total dues column equals to if the delivery representing E11 equals to yes, if delivery equals to yes, if the column E equal to yes, there is additional delivery charges located in cell L11 if the item is not delivered. The total due is price. Then F11 plus L11, otherwise F11, then apply the absolute cell reference on this, then hit enter. You can see that the total dues are calculated. Simply you will have to drag this formula and down to the last of the range, and you can see that the total dues are calculated in these cells. Question number 7 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 8. Question number 8 is apply currency format to the column G. You will go to the workbook, select the column G, then apply the currency format. And we will move to the question number 9. Question number 9 is insert the function in cell I11 to calculate the first customer monthly payment using appropriate relative and absolute cell references. Basically, in this question, you will have to insert a function in cell I11. And the next part is place a minus sign to the left of the present value argument so that the function returns a positive result. Copy the formula down to the column. In this column, we have write a formula PAMT. Then we will provide a rate, then provide n per L12 divided by L13. L12 are representing interest rate and the second is representing months per year, and the H11 multiply with L13. H11 are representing the year, then apply the absolute cell reference on this, then hit enter. As you can see that the monthly payment are calculated in this cell. Question number 9 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 10. In question number 9, simply you will have to drag this formula down to the last of the range. Our next question is question number 10. Use quick analysis to insert a function in cell I-20 that calculates the total of all monthly payments in column I. In this question, you will use the quick analysis tab to insert a function in this function. Write a formula equals to sum this one and calculate this. Question number 10 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Apply currency format to the column I. Simply you will have to apply a currency format to this column. Select this column first and then you will go to the home tab, then click on this and choose currency format. Question number 11 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 12. Type the customer name MC shown in cell E6. In cell E6. Sorry, in cell B6 we have type MC down. We have now completed 12 questions of this assignment. If you need any help with the remaining questions or want me to handle your complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for all types of assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, or a complete course. I have successfully handled courses for the students from Canada, USA, and many other countries. I have handled many online courses, MyLab IT, MyLab Finance, MyLab Accounting, and more online courses. If you need any help with this task or your complete course, feel free to reach out to me. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.